Skål! Happy Friday, day of Freya of course, and what better day to have a look at some runes from Grimfrost. Now I don't normally appear in these, but I'm hoping some homebrewed mead in this Fenrir horn will steer me in the right direction. So I have on this table here a suspicious looking package, which I've received from Grimfrost. Now I know this video title is described as an unboxing, but I had to get rid of the box because it was enormous, because it also contained this book, Wesen, which I'm looking forward to having a look at. I've seen some of Johan Egerkranz's other books in the series, so the art is just fantastic, but enough about that. Let's get on with the unbagging of this. So there's a little silica gel pouch in there, so it's obviously good to keep your runes dry. Open this up. Nice leather pouch. You can get rid of this. And a little blue stopper there. That's a nice little cord, leather cord as well. And let's have a look. These are the Younger Futhark runes, which obviously replace the older Futhark. And here we go. And yeah, they're very nice. They're made of bone apparently. Just zoom in on that. So they're about the size of, well, size of a sort of thumb each. But yeah, rendered pretty well. The lettering is nicely, I think that's burned in. That must have been singed in somehow. But yeah, quite impressive. Quite happy with those. So I've now emptied all of these out, and I've counted them. There's all 16 there. There are 16 characters in the Younger Futhark, which was in use from about the 9th century or maybe a bit earlier than that. So the whole of the Viking era, these were the runes that were used by the Vikings to communicate, but it wasn't just an effective alphabet. It was for divination and spell casting and seeing the future via seers and all kinds of other mystical purposes. It replaced the Elder Futhark, which existed from about the 1st to the 8th centuries. And just like the Elder Futhark, which actually had 24 characters rather than 16, some of the runes themselves were seen as magic spells in their own right. And the mythology of the discovery of the runes was that allegedly they'd always existed carved into Yggdrasil, the world tree, but were only discovered by Odin after he sacrificed himself to himself by hanging on the world tree. They are strongly linked with fate and are said to highlight the ability of the Norns to literally carve out the fate of us all. So yeah, I'm happy with those. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe, and you can also support the channel via Subscribe Star, link in description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.